The question is, do you remember a time when you sacrificed for a change, willingly sacrificed for a change? Anyone here? Like made some sacrifices. Rich did. Like, mahirap siya pero ginawa ko. I did it wholeheartedly. I did it. Even if it's difficult, even if there's a sacrifice. I have also completely bought in on a plan that is also frustrating at the same time, but I went with it. In short, this change that you subscribe to is aligned with your higher purpose. Diba? Because if you recognize the alignment between your purpose and your values, your goals and the goals of the plan, it becomes compelling. It becomes compelling and you get committed. So the reason why people resist change is they don't understand the change. And the way for them to adapt and to commit to the change, they have to see the connection between, where they're going and how the plan or the change is going to take them there. May tawag tayo dun yung what's in it for me. WIIFM. Kaya tayo leader because we have to facilitate the realization because people will not automatically realize it. But most people, they won't recognize it unless you help them recognize, no? So I guess in implementing strategies, you definitely have to practice leadership. Gawin mo to because there's a compelling reason for all of us to do this. And that's something that we need to talk about as part of our learning objective. And then of course, in a small way or in a big way, I want you to look for opportunities to apply what you're going to learn here so that 3 months from now, we can talk about how you applied the learning. So that little connection ng ating mga synapses that leads to neuroplasticity, from little connection, they become superhighways.